Hey everyone, I wanted to hop on real quick to tell you about the Icepure refrigerator filters. It also comes with an air filter as well. You get 3 in the pack, and we got our house a couple years ago and it was finally time to replace our filters. So we did a little research. These seemed like a great price point and are compatible with LG refrigerators and also Kenmore's. So they seemed like a no-brainer. It's actually been almost a year since we replaced it. Not sure if that is the proper amount of time or not, but our water has still tasted great, but I'm getting ready to replace it anyway, just to be sure. Every refrigerator is a little bit different, but mine, it's just in the back corner. You pop it open, twist it out, and to replace it, you just twist it back in and close it up. Our air filter is really simple to replace as well. It twists off, and then you pop it out of there and replace it with a new one. The filters are individually boxed and each one has another set of instructions, so it's really simple to pop them in and switch them out. You get 3 air filters and 3 of the water filters. Definitely check them out and see if they're compatible with your fridge.